Hi everyone, my name is Manvi Gumber and my student ID is 101412099. So today I'm going to explain you the assignment 1 for Comp 3122. So let's begin with that. However, its goal is to work with CSV files and applying the NumPy functions. So let's begin with that one. So first question is basically import the biostat.csv file. So if I show you my file over here, so this is my PyCharm. So I have created a folder called Assignment1, and here I have created a file which is main.py, a Python file, and I have added all my code along with the questions. So it says like first question, second question. So I'm going to explain you each questions one by one. On the other hand, this is our biostat.csv file. So this is the file which has all the data. So let's focus one by one. So basically, I have imported some libraries such as CSV and CSV NumPy as NP, matplot library as PLT over here. So let's focus on the first question, which says the place it in the appropriate data set. So here in the bioset file, I have I'll read the file through the help of csv.direct reader method. So this method reads like how each row as a directory, which will make it easier to access the specific columns by their header names. And for example, like we are focusing over here as like the age column according to the biostats data. Okay, so this is like I have creating an empty list which is called as ages and appending like each value from age column to it. And once the file is read, we will have the age data which is stored in the list. So now I will convert the ages list into the NumPy array, and this will make it easier to perform the various statistical calculations on the data, for which I have used here, if you can see, that is the age array np dot array, which is again our second question, which says like fetch the age column of the data set as an array and use it as a variable to hold it. So this is our second question. So third question, if I focus is on printing the data. So before we proceed on all the calculations, I'm printing all the data like age column data, age and array. So um, let's focus on the fourth question, which says calculate the average standard deviation, minimum and the maximum of the array and print the result. So let's focus on that one. So we have the data. So let's calculate some basic stats like starting from mean, standard deviation, minimum and maximum values. So basically NumPy makes it very easier to compute these values, and this means like it gives us the average age. The standard deviation will show us like how the spread out of the age are, and we will also find the maximum and minimum age in the data set. So basically we will calculate some all the like mean and standard deviation through the help of this code. Okay, and we are printing over here, as you can see. So this is our printing. So once I will run, I can show you once I'm running this code, you can see it's printing. Let's just focus this afterwards. The age column data, and then the mean, the standard deviation, which is 7.36. The minimum age is 23, and the maximum age in the data in the biostat data is 53. Okay, now let's focus on next question, which says find the 30th percentile, median, and the 17th percentile of the age column. So let's go on this question. So basically, we will calculate the important percentiles, which is like 30th percentile, median, 70th percentile. So median is basically the 50th percentile. So basically this will help us how the data is distributed across the whole sections of the age range. Okay, so this values will give us more insights into the distribution, and so here is the code for that one. So basically the percentile 30 is like np dot percentile age array 30, and then here is the whole code, and then I have printed the whole thing. So once I'm running this code, you can see here the 30th percentile is 30.10, like 10, the medium is 32.50, and the 70th percentile is 37.80. So this is our fifth question. Now let's begin with the last question, which says, using the library, please draw the histogram chart for the age column and use the appropriate title like X label and the Y label and include the first name. Okay, so let's begin with this one. Now let's visualize the distribution of the ages through the help of histogram. And histogram basically shows us the frequency of age values in the specific intervals, and it is the great way to like how the data is like being spreaded. So once I'm running this again, you can see over here like my name Manvi Gumba and the age distribution through the help of the histogram graph over here. So this is like the frequency and the age. So this is all for my assignment 1. If you have any doubts, you can email me at any time and I will answer all those questions. Thank you.